Hello everyone, once again you all are welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to inform you about a new post that was released by the USA Embassy at the New Delhi, which is a headquarter of the USA Embassy. So the name of the position is Supervisory Administrative Assistant, and this post was released a couple of days ago. And so I saw this notification that time, but I could not get the time to upload the video. But today is the day that I am getting the time and creating this video. So I would request you to watch this video completely so that you don't miss any of the information relating to this position. So let's begin it. So as I have told you already, the name of the post is Supervisory Administrative Assistant. And so mean from the name itself you can guess the idea, mean what will be the role and responsibilities of this post or under this post. So you will be posted in the information management department. Okay, so information management office is a particular office that has been dedicated for a particular work, and there you will be doing and managing the administrative work. So the experience that they are requiring is of the 2 years. तो 2 साल का आपका एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए इन द फील्ड ऑफ आइदर कस्टमर एग्जीक्यूटिव। ठीक है, तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि आइदर, कि ऐसा नहीं है कि कंपलसरी आपका सभी प्रोफाइल पे होना चाहिए, बट ये ऑप्शनल है। या तो आपका 2 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस कस्टमर एग्जीक्यूटिव लाइन में हो, या फिर आपका डेटा मैनेजमेंट लाइन में हो, एंड द थर्ड फील्ड इज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव इटसेल्फ। ठीक है, या एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्किल्स हो आप में। तो ये तीनों फील्ड जो मैंने बताई हैं इसमें से किसी में भी हो सकता है। ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि तीनों में चाहिए, तीनों में से किसी में भी अगर आपका इफ़ यू हैव एटलीस्ट 2 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस देन यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर दिस पोस्ट। और आपकी जो एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन की अगर हम बात करें, देन इट शुड बी योर ग्रेजुएशन। okay, or if you have completed any 2 years of diploma, then that will also be relevant to apply for this post. So we have talked about the education qualification. I have also informed you about the experience part, and now we discuss about the salary part. So the salary that has been proposed by the USA Embassy in the notification released by it, so there they have mentioned the annual salary, which is 7,35,000. okay, 7,35,000 is a annual CTC. And apart from that, I also want to highlight the language expertise part. So in the language expertise you must have the command over your English communication skills, and also your main regional language, for example Hindi. So Hindi is our native and also the regional language, so that's why you should also have the command. And command in what phases? ठीक है, so it can be divided into the 3 phases. Written command you should have, speaking command, and also मीन रिटन हो गया जैसे, और बोलने में हो गया आपकी, एंड ऑल्सो इन द लिसनिंग। ठीक है, लिसनिंग स्किल्स में भी। सो वाई आई एम एम्फसाइजिंग ऑन द लैंग्वेज एक्सपर्टीज, बिकॉज दिस is particularly tested when your application is shortlisted and your profile is shortlisted for this particular job, then definitely you will have to pass an language expertise exam. So that's why if you have the command in these 3 phases or in these 3 stages, only then you apply for this post. So this is about the post. I have also discussed about the salary part, eligibility criteria I have told you. And yes, this is permanent post. okay, this is not a contractual, not a temporary, this is the permanent post. That means once you get this job, so permanently you can work on this profile until or unless you breach the law of the High Commission or the embassy. So this is all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have any doubt you can put the message in the comment box. So meet you in the next video with a new job opportunity.